Hello everyone, Mindy Beverly with you here today, and I'm so excited to be representing Stamp Anything at stampanything.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to create this super adorable little mini album right here I created with the dies and stamps from Stamp Anything. We will be linking all of those products down below in the comments, and also after this live at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be doing a live in the Stamp Anything Stampers Facebook fan page on how to color this super adorable little stamped image. It will be a live coloring session, and I will go over hair and then clothes techniques as well. Alright, so let me quickly show you this album and we'll get started. So here we have the front. Of course, it's a little shaker album. Then I have the spine here with the little adorable beads, a cute little turtle charm. And you have the back of the album here, framed in the super cute little die here. And then the inside is complete with multiple pages for you to put all of your little memory photos, journaling. You can fill it however you would like. But super fun, quick, easy project. It really would make a great gift. Okay, so let's get started. The products you are going to need are, first, we have the Shaker Basics set number 2. Now for the expo today, we're going to be doing a special bundle that's going to have your Shaker Basics along with the extra add-ons all in a bundle for a discount. So these are great for any holiday, and they work on top of all the Shaker Basics. And this is how I created the whole base of this album. So it came with the Shaker base like this. We're going to be using these 2 tag ones on the bottom. And then also I'm going to be using the palm tree dies from Stamp Anything, and as well as the Hugs Sentiment from Stamp Anything. Okay. So what you're going to do first is you're going to get some chipboard, and you are going to cut with the large tag. You're going to cut 4 of the chipboard pieces, and then that same square inside the set right here, you're going to cut 1 square. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to score this piece for our spine at 1/2 inch on both sides. So I'm going to grab my scoreboard here. And you're going to quickly just score 1/2 inch on both sides, just like that, and same thing on the opposite side. And then what you're going to do is you are going to just fold these over, and then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to quickly just trim the edges here on both sides like that. Same thing on the opposite side. And then you are going to take your tags and you're going to just adhere the tags just like this on the base with adhesive. Then you are going to take some twine just like this, and for my album I just did about a 12-inch piece of twine. You are going to glue this twine just like this. And I will do one side here to show you. So you're just adding the adhesive to the back of this, pressing it down, lining it up. This is sized perfectly to fit with the tag die. Then you're going to take your twine and just add some adhesive across the back. And with the liquid adhesive, you have a few seconds to line it up if you don't get it perfect. And then press the twine down like this. And then you're going to take your other side and you're going to quickly add adhesive to it. And you're going to sandwich those 2 little ties in between your cover piece, just like this. So you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side as well with the 2 pieces. And this will construct your main binding for the back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pattern papers and you're going to cut 4 of these, different, whatever patterns you want, ink the edges. Then you're just going to adhere these onto either side of your album. So it'll be exactly the same for this opposite side. Then you're going to cut 1 more of the spines, and you're going to cut off 1 1/4 inches from the side. Ink the edges, and then that is going to glue in the center to decorate your spine. You're going to do that to the fronts and the backs and both sides, and then you're going to have it come out like this once you have it all done. So you're going to see here, you're going to have the inside spine, and then both of these are going to be decorated just like this. Then you're going to take the Shaker Top Basics die that comes in the set. You're going to cut one of white watercolor paper, and you're just going to place it as decorative on top of the back. And then you're going to place a second one. You're going to cut 4 of these in chipboard, and you're just going to glue them on top of each other, and you're going to glue it on top here. So that's going to make the base of your shaker top. Then you're going to cut one plain one from acetate, the full piece, and then one of the shaker decorator pieces in watercolor paper. Glue them together so you can get the top of your shaker piece. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add our shaker elements to the inside of this. These little shaker elements are all from Stamp Anything. Again, product links will be down below, and you're just going to shake some of those into the top part of your shaker for your mini album. And then you are going to add a few more here as well of a different alternating color. And then you are just going to quickly add adhesive onto the back of your little acetate piece here. We're just going to line it up right around the edge, super easy. And then you're just going to press it down right on top of the cardboard pieces that you have layered up, the chipboard. And that makes your little shaker top portion. Now for the pages on the inside, it was so super easy. What I did is I took the die. You just take your coordinating cardstocks that are double-sided, and you're going to take your die, and you're going to line it up in your die cut machine just like this. So like this, you're going to line up the edge so that right here the cut edge does not cut through. Then you're going to run it through your machine, and once you do that, you're going to end up with something like this. So you have these double folded sheets. So I cut 6 of these to put inside of my mini album. So I've already adhered these and just tied them all in. I'm going to show you how to tie one of these in, our last one here. So for the last one, you're just going to take some twine, and what I did is I got some beads, some paper beads I made, and I just put them on about a 12-inch piece of twine. You are just going to go across the back of the spine here and just layer your little twine piece, and you're going to layer your insert and just put it just like that, and then you are just going to tie this right into the center. Just double knot it and then trim as wanted. And I just alternated the twine. These little twine pieces are also from Stamp Anything. And now you can see you just add in all 6 of those, and then you have all of your pages inside your little mini album. So now we have the 6 inserts on the inside. We have our front and back with our mats, and same thing with the back here. And these are the beads. You can add as many or as little as you want. And now I'm just going to tie this really quickly. You could add some beads to your little ties as well. And now we are just going to decorate the front with the dies from Stamp Anything. So to do that, I cut right here from chipboard, from the island die, I cut 2 of the little palm trees. I cut green cardstock for the top and just inked the edges. And then I cut the chipboard and inked it in Vintage Photo. And now I'm just going to adhere these right on with the Dries Clear adhesive, and you're just going to layer them. So one layered like this from the side, right on top the acetate. Let's see, just like that. And then you're going to take your second one and you are just going to layer it off the edge. And these dies are such a great quality too. I mean, they cut right through this chipboard, which is really nice. And then I'm going to layer this one on the edge here. And then I took the Hugs die and I cut it from white watercolor paper, and then I just ink blended with Salty Ocean and blueprint sketch for the bottom portion. I'm just going to add some adhesive to the die cut. Just like this, and then I just place this right across the top portion here and press down. There we go. We can add another little dot here. And there we go. And then of course, so what I did is I went ahead after this, I just took the stamped image, which is this super adorable Ethan and Kimmy Forever. I cut it out in Copic Express It paper, and then I colored it with Copic markers, and then I cut it out with a coordinating die. And you can see here, this is what it looks like once I just used foam tape to pop it up and add those super cute adorable little characters to the front of the little mini album. So super easy, and like I said, it was all put together with the chipboard pieces cut from the Shaker Basics set. So you can see it comes with a square sets. They're sized perfectly to go with the tag bases. So you can see it lines up and you can create the perfect little mini albums. And then also on my mini album here, I added a little, I just did a little hole punch, added a eyelet, and then I added the little turtle charm too. And these are super adorable. They are also included in the Love Me, Love My Pets bundle. And then the twines are also sold on StampAnything.com. You guys can see, super fun, super easy, and it's the perfect little addition for any kind of memory keeping or gift. All right, everybody, thank you so very much for joining me today. Again, we will put all the product links down below. I'm going to quickly just show you the products one more time that we used on this mini album. Again, the products we used is the Shaker Basics set. Again, these are included in a bundle at a special discount just for the expo. I used the Palm Tree Die 11-piece set. I used the Hugs Die Sentiment. And then I used the Ethan and Kimmy Forever stamp and coordinating die, outline die. And then I used the twine in Citrus Brights and Shocking Pink. And then I used the two little, like the little fish sequins and the orange sequins, all available on StampAnything.com. Again, be sure to join our fan page for the full live of the coloring of the super cute little guy with his super cute little girl here. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you all again soon. Bye.